Okay, the bad news bears are at it again. We're trying to start Jim Dawson's car. We can only move the car 4 1/2 to about 8 inches. We don't have a crank. We're trying to turn the engine over to time it. And we got a new distributor and it doesn't fit in the head because it had real thick paint on it. We'll see if it'll go in now.
Did you get it in?
Oh, we got the distributor in. We got it timed. We took the plugs out to rotate the engine. And
we're gonna need a
Well, that's why I brought Brett.
washer on here.
That's okay. But when the frame starts doing that, the radiator, first damage you can see is the water running.
can you hurry up in there? We got 4 people waiting. We're like a road construction crew here.
Yeah, everybody leaning on the shovel.
Hey, she's running.
Look at this file over here.
Okay.
This car is Uncle Rudy's cousin Jim. I said this car is Uncle Rudy's cousin Jim. Okay.
Push both levers all the way up. Oh, that didn't work. No, it's firing wrong now. What's that tick tick? All right, we got it hooked up to his original coil. We're going to see if that coil is good or not. We're going direct from power to the coil, from the coil to the distributor.
Are you ready, Jack?
Yeah.
Okay, you got power.
All right, here we go.
Okay, that means his coil is okay. Okay, we're wrapping it up. What we ended up doing is changing almost everything, trying to find out what the problem was. Distributor looked good, but turns out it wasn't. So we put a new distributor we found in Jim's cabinet, and we've got it timed close, and it runs, it starts. We rewired the system, and
He needs a new battery.
he needs a new battery, and he needs cables that match the right post because it was hooked up negative ground. So I think we got a car for sale now.